You ready to learn something new? This is a Swiss beatbox tutorial. How you doing today? My name's Napalm, and today I'm going to teach you 3 of my signature sounds. The cough snare, outward lip bass, and the zipper. Okay, so we're going to start one with the cough snare. So the way that I do the cough snare and the way I've broken it down is it's a really loud whisper with the cough as the initial hit. So if you whisper really loudly, it sounds like this. I'm whispering really loudly. Be quiet, kids. It's quiet time. So if you take that sound and make the cough the initial hit of it, so it's just like a but you don't really want to focus on the cough too much. You want the resonance of the sound to be the whisper part. So whenever you put the two together, it sounds like this. That's the cough snare. So next, outward lip bass. So whenever I do my outward lip bass style, I put 2 sounds together. The regular like which everybody does as a kid, right? Everybody's going. But if you do that same sound with different like sounds on the inside of your mouth, such as sh or s, you get sounds such as this. See, so it's really just 2 basic sounds put together into one to make it this extra special tone. And the last sound is the zipper. You know whenever you have a balloon and you barely let any air out of it and it makes the sound like that's exactly what the zipper sound is, just with your mouth. So you want to create a very small hole in your mouth so just barely any air can come through. And I do mine breathing in. Anybody could do it in any way. You could do it breathing in or out. I find it to be easier breathing in, but you want to create such a small little hole so only a little bit of air comes in. Only this much air, only this much. So whenever you breathe it in, you can start going. Now, it might take time to get used to the sound because the first time that you learn it, your lips could get a little bit tingly and itchy and it'll feel a little bit weird. But after you get the hang of it, you'll be a zipper master. So my last little tip is, if you have 2 different sounds and you're trying to come up with a new one, you know, you're thinking to yourself, man, I wish I could just come up with a new sound, you know. Don't be afraid to put 2 sounds that you already do together and make a new crazy sound with this, such as, I came up with one just several months ago, and it includes the zipper and the throat kick. And these are 2 easy sounds to learn. So I put the 2 sounds together, and it makes it sound like this. And they're 2 completely different parts of my mouth, but I'm able to put them together and create one sound with them. So don't be afraid to experiment and to try new things, and just believe in yourself whenever you're trying to come up with new things. And I'd also like to announce that this is the first kickoff video to my YouTube tutorial series, which you can find right here on my YouTube channel.